come such a long way from before 1997 all the way to today, from just somebody's house out here to this beautiful nature center that's serving so many of our residents, and so many kids and families and individuals are out here walking the trails every day and using the facility, and it's really great.
I started my first round of employment here in 2003, so I've been with the Harris Nature Center for 19 years with the township, and it's incredible. It's been so much fun to watch it grow and watch it change, and to be a part of that means a lot to me. It feels incredible to be able to offer something to the public where people can come out and have a good time in the outdoors, check out all the changes that even happened during 2020 and 2021. A lot of people may have not been here for a while. So it's just really exciting to just get everybody back together again and to just give back to the community that has supported us so much over the last 25 years.